Hello friends, I'm going to share with you a steamed chicken recipe. Give your chicken some deep cuts. Then let's add the spices for the marination, salt to taste, some turmeric powder, crushed red pepper, cumin seed powder, coriander seed powder, and add some black pepper, some lime juice, and then add some yogurt. Now mix everything very well. So after mixing well, let's marinate for 45 minutes. Chicken is done marinating. And now we need foil. Cover the chicken very well. And now steam your chicken for 30 minutes from the both sides. So friends, steamed chicken is ready. Thank you for watching. Keep smiling.